These people, I tell you, they took all morning to pack. All morning. They're just now leaving. Checkout time is 11, by the way, and they're just not leaving. I'm just cranky, okay? They've been running their engine all day, and it's so loud. Not as loud as the birds, but still pretty loud. My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're going to be talking about the 12,000 Oaks camping cook set. This is actually a really old set that my friend dug up, and she thought it would be a great addition to the video. So here we are. I thought I would do, she actually never unboxed it. It sat in her basement for a long time. So here we are. We're gonna try and unbox this huge thing here. Again, I'm camping at River Island State Park, so I know the background looks similar to all my other videos, as some of you have pointed out, but you know, I'm working on going camping at different places, trying to have different backgrounds in my videos, so. But anyway, so this is what it looks like. I actually don't have any features or anything about this product because it's so, it's from like the 90s, I believe, is when she got it. So, but it was never opened and I can't find anything about it. So maybe one day I'll use it as part of a camping cook set. But for now, it's just gonna kind of go in my arsenal of things that I have for camping and see if I can use it eventually. So let's start with the main front pocket. It looks like it just has a bunch of storage here. I don't know if you can see that. It has a ton of storage here in these front pockets. And if you unzip them, it's just kind of got like mesh pockets. It's got a little pocket for what looks like a cell phone perhaps. So anyway, so it has a couple of these pockets here. And you can see that the flap just kind of flips down, and it's even got like an outer pocket here to store some extra stuff, I guess. But I think the main thing is in this giant compartment. It looks like this whole thing zips up. I actually only took a brief look at the inside of it, and let me tell you, it's pretty neat. So I think you have to tilt it this way actually. So if we tilt it open, look at all this stuff in here. Goodness. It's got pots and pans and cups and little bowls as well, 4 bowls. It looks like it's for a family of 4, all this cooking stuff. And it's really heavy duty too, which I was fascinated about. I don't think it's ceramic. Maybe it is though. It looks like it's metal actually, kind of like a flake metal. So, but it's pretty hard and durable. And this is pretty neat to use. So it's got like reusable bowls, which I'll love to have. A little pot, coffee cups, which is nice. And it's got basically 4 of everything. So let's open it up here. Ugh. And it's also got silverware, which is nice. Stainless steel silverware. It's just neat to open something like this that's never been used. I think my friend, she won it. So I don't know if she watches my channel or not, but anyways, I want to say hello. So you can see here that when you open it up, it's kind of wrapped around the table. So it's got a little place for all the silverware. It's got pots and pans, and I'm not too sure what's in all these things. So this is kind of interesting. I think these are just more storage areas, you know, for like your items, and that's exactly what they are. So they're just additional storage for whatever you can fit in here, I guess. And it's got a fun coffee pot, you know, like the old time coffee pots. This is really neat set, and I feel like it'd be really neat to use, you know, or pretend to use over a fire or on a charcoal grill. Here's a lightweight pan. And then here's some plates in the back. So this looks like it's like a family of 4 kit in order to use. So it's very well made and really cool. I just love looking at these old things because it's fascinating to me, because if you recall, we were using this type of stuff even back in the 90s, you know what I mean? So using a coffee pot like this, doesn't everybody have one of these? So, you know, not just from the 70s or 80s, but from the 90s as well. So, yep, it's got a little coffee thing in there, a strainer, so if you just wanted to add loose leaf, and you can pour your coffee or tea out, and away you go. So, it's got a huge bottom in order to boil on a large stove, and hopefully it's plated correctly, so that you can use it with, say, a fun stove type, depending on which type of stove you want to use, but camping stove, etc. And then it all just packs in here nice and neat again, and away you go. Again, it comes as like a backpack, but I would not recommend taking this on a backpacking trip unless this is all you brought, because this is all that can fit. This is all you would be able to fit in your backpack, basically, after you packed everything. So I'm just going to take the silverware, actually, take it out of this. I'm going to put it in this mesh thing up here instead. So, but this is really neat. Everything's super clean, and it looks like my friend, I don't think she used it at all, she said. I mean, it was still wrapped in the plastic, so it's fascinating to me that it survived through all the harsh weather. And I love all these storage pouches. If anything, I can just take apart these and use it. So this isn't really an unboxing, as more of it was kind of a fun exploration of things. And then you can see here, it's got little pots for water with a little lid. And again, it's got, which is not practical nowadays, but it's got a sturdy metal handle because, you know, nowadays everybody knows metal heats up, it'll get really hot. And what are you going to do? You're going to carry gloves while you're camping? No. So it's harder to find these type of things nowadays because everything's made up of metal like this, but then a kind of a plastic feature, and so that you don't get burned. So. But anyways, I just found this fascinating, and maybe one day I'll use it in one of my camping videos. Let me know what you think, if you think I should try and use it, or, you know, what do you think I should use this for, if you have any ideas. Maybe I'll end up giving it away someday, so. But thank you so much for watching. Here's what it looks like on the inside here, and you can see it's all nice and neatly packaged with the bowls up here, the cups, the little pot down here, the coffee pot, and underneath this is another pan and more plates, actually. So I find this to be absolutely fascinating. Maybe one day I'll make another video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. So thank you so much for watching this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you like it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.